Embrace the day even when living with a chronic illness. It may seem tough, it may feel like an uphill battle, but remember, you're a warrior. Part of that battle is the first step, which is one, acceptance. Acceptance isn't about giving up or surrendering, it's about acknowledging the reality of the situation. It's about saying, yes, this is my life now, but it does not define me. It's about realizing that you're not your illness, you're much more than that. It's the first step to reclaiming your life. The second step is two, flexibility. Life is unpredictable, plans change, and when they do, you need to adapt with grace. Flexibility isn't just about dealing with in your daily routine. It's about being open to new treatments, new ways of doing things, and new ways of thinking. It's about being resilient, bouncing back from setbacks and moving forward. Third is self-care. It's so vital to prioritize your well-being, both physically and mentally. Self-care is about nourishing your body with healthy food, taking time to exercise, and getting enough sleep. It's also about taking care of your mind by practicing mindfulness, seeking therapy or counseling if needed, and doing things you love. Fourth step is connect. Reach out to others who understand your journey. Join support groups, online communities, or connect with people who are going through the same challenges. Don't isolate yourself. You're not alone in this. Step 5 is optimism. Maintaining a positive mindset isn't just about being happy all the time, it's about believing in a better future. It's about acknowledging your struggles, but also focusing on your strengths, victories, and progress. Sixth point is advocate. Know your rights and speak up for your needs. Advocate for better healthcare, for better treatments, for more research. Don't be afraid to ask for help or to stand up for what you need. Step 7 is balance. Rest when you need to, but also engage in activities that make you happy. Find a balance between rest and recreation. It's essential to take it easy when your body needs to, but also to keep doing the things you love. Remember, your illness doesn't define you. You're more than a diagnosis. You're a fighter, a survivor. Live your best life one day at a time. You have the strength to overcome, to thrive, and to shine. Stay strong, you're not alone.